I am in my Twitter Telegram channel. So if you wanna come into my Telegram, you need to check up this video's comment box. Feel free to check out and come into this Telegram channel, and here you will see this post. Okay, so this post is basically Bitmart exchange post they put in Twitter. They posted on Twitter their Twitter event. People are gaining some money from there because of some token collaborated with Bitmart for for giving people some token for distribution. There are some token before listing on Bitmart. So if you want to get this token, you need to like appropriate way, you need to join their event. So how do you join everything? I will show you today properly that how to join properly Bitmart airdrop. I gain over 100 up to $100 from Bitmart. Okay, nearly. So first thing first, if you see join, will show you my Twitter is existent now. Everything I'm showing you, that let's say their post is exactly this one. Maybe you see on Twitter, or you are come from my Telegram channel, whatever. Just step by step see. First, they say to you to doing task Bitmart exchange and onino.io. Anyway, just check up that you did follow or not. I already did, and come back here again and click on onion.io. While you click on there, I didn't did that, I done that now. So now join Telegram, check up your Telegram, join. I already joined Bitmart exchange. Now just I need to join onion, their potential token to listing that channel. Okay, so it's straightforward. Airdrop is straightforward, nothing complicated. Just follow their instruction, nothing else. Okay, just click there, trying to go there. It would be easy to enter their channel. So just what is that, join chat, click on there, and immediately your Telegram task done. Nothing complicated, straightforward. So it's loading pretty much. Okay, so now nothing to do here. I'm not about to click on there, and you will be unmute in their Telegram. Okay, accepted. You can write down anything you want. Okay, like hey, something like that, and come back in the task section, and here we done Telegram. Now retweet and tag 3 friends. Here is you need to focus on that what I am doing. Okay, I will suggest you to like and click on retweet button, and here is repost. I will suggest first, and comment. Here is comment option, click on there, and I already write down, just write same way, like this way. Okay, something write down and 3 parent tag and replay, click on there. I will suggest to copy this exact thing that I will repost on Coda to it. Okay, click on this arrow button, and here is middle option Coda to it, click on there, and exactly same thing you can paste here and post. So now here one thing you need to do after that, you need to screenshot your profile with that repost. Okay, with this repost, keep in mind that it will be done. Okay, I'm gonna pause.